Welcome to Texas Gun and Ammo. I'm going to go over 1911s. It's my favorite. They make them in different brands, different qualities. My favorite is the Colt, of course. I'm a die-hard Colt fan, but I do like Sigs. I do like Dan Wessons, Kimbers, certain Kimbers, and it depends. I got this real nice Colt. That's the combat unit, 9mm, full size 1911. Very nice pistol. As you can see, everything is unloaded. And I have this Kimber. Check. And it's unloaded. And this is the Tactical Entry 2. Very, tritium sights, flare magwell, very light, very easy to handle. Never had an issue out of this one. Probably one of my favorite ones out of Kimbers. They got a couple of them I like. Not really big on Kimber, but just a few of them I like. And then, of course, Mr. Sig Sauer. This is the Scorpion. It's all unloaded. Not nothing. Every one of these have flare mags. Now I'll kind of give you a better shot view. But what we're going to do, we're going to address is field dressing or cleaning your pistol. What you're going to need is to make sure it's unloaded. Always safety. Check and double check to make sure there's nothing in the chamber, no magazine, nothing. I'm going to use, it's called Milcom TW256 lubricant. This is what comes with the Sigs. And then what I'm going to do today is also add in this Wilson Combat. This goes on the guide rod. It helps out on from the metal clanking, the spring and stuff. It makes it a lot softer and much easier on your pistol. And this little tool, I got all kinds of them, different makes. It doesn't matter. One's Kimber, one's Para Black Ops, and the other one is Colt. Kimber on this one. And these two little tools, that's just to help line it up. So the first thing I do is on this Sig Scorpion, which I like the flat bar trigger. What's great about the flat bar trigger is wherever you hit on there, it's consistent on your pull. What I mean versus a curve, this is going to be a different weight pull. It's going to pull it down. That's going to pull it up. You have to be directly in the center. This, you don't. So, now the first thing I do is I'll use these bushing tools, and I'll just put it on there, and that helps hold that guide rod in. I get it turned that far. Alright, and then I do this. Let it out slowly because it's under high tension. There's the cap. There's the spring. Now I'll turn this around, back the other way, and it will go at a 45-degree angle, and that's far because then it will slide off, your chuck will. But to make it a little bit easier, pull the hammer back. Slide back till you get it like this. You see where it lines up with the notch? Okay, very important. It's got to line up with that notch. This will pop out real easy. Set that down, slide forward. you gotta take that out, duh. See, I made my first blunder, but barrels out, slide. Now, this one has adjustable, so I do have these Wilson Combat guide springs. Each one are different poundage, 18 rigid, 18 medium, 20. Just don't go willy-nilly and ask questions. Ask a gunsmith. Ask someone who knows a lot. That's what I do. I've done experimenting, you know, to see, but I found out that you can have your slide rock back and forth if you under the spring. You put too light of a spring and it rocks back and forth, and that's not good, because then it causes you to have a hang up or whatever. I get a decent surgical scissors. And I had this. You know what? We're going to do something a little different. Where is it at? Here we go. That one's... We got different neck sizes, and that one neck is what we're going to do is, you don't need much, you know, but it's a light greasy. You can see there's just a little bit in there. And that's for the rails, to make it a little bit smoother, no friction. That will go a long ways to making it much easier to operate. Got that. Now, you have this little ejector. You can see it coming out. You can see it right there. So, be mindful of that when you're putting it together. I like to start upside down, and I get up to it, close the deal. get it in. You gotta make sure that lines up over that goes to your safety. It's very important. Pushed it in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn the chuck forward. Wipe off any little excess that comes off. Feels already a whole lot better. Hands down, as you can see, it also got flare mags. A little bit of white stuff. Thank you for watching. Hope this helped you out a little bit.